So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to do a small review of this Trans Air, Crompton Trans Air exhaust fan. From the first impression you can see the fan is spinning in the wind. The fan doesn't have any time to stop even though the fan is off. Now it's off. Now it will again start rotating when there is wind. So this fan is now 2.5 year old, still running perfectly. I have install the fan on the window just to remove some hot air during night time. So you can see I have done some small service this fan. You can see now it started rotating to the wrong side again. I have done some small servicing, like you can see greasing, etc. And I have painted the shaft blue just to ensure no rust comes on the shaft. Let me turn on the fan. Oh, what a wind outside. You can see the fan is spinning wrong. Let me turn on. The starting torque is very high. The suction of this fan's airflow is really awesome. I mean the suction capacity is really high. I have added a washer over here just to prevent from scratches while rotating the screw, because if you rotate the screw, the side edges may rub to this cover and may ruin the paints automatically. No vibrations or any out of balance in this fan. Let me turn off the fan. The spin down time is quite long. There were some small bearing noises, some clicking noises. I hope now it's okay after greasing the shaft ends. These blades are of very good quality. So that's all for today. So I hope you guys like the video of this Crompton Trans Air ventilating fan. So like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.